Instructions for using NCT materials. Summary for work teams. Preparatory work. First step, carefully cover the floor with felt to prevent soiling. Lay out a thin plastic sheet measuring approximately 150 by 50 centimeters at the application site and move it as work progresses. Cover doors, windows, pipes, and all fixtures with plastic sheeting. Remove or loosen any elements that obstruct the application of the material, such as electrical and plumbing connections. Step 2. Preparing the walls for the application of the materials. Remove plaster as thoroughly as possible using a machine. Remove construction debris from the room as you go. Sand the walls using an angle grinder with a dust extraction system and an industrial vacuum cleaner. Vacuum the wall thoroughly. Application of the mineral materials. Step 1. NCT crystal mortar. Moisten the wall with water using a sprayer. Mix NCT crystal with water in a 1:1 ratio. Mix for 8 minutes. Leave to rest for 2 to 3 minutes. 15 litres is sufficient for approximately 20 square metres. Spray the wall once, then smooth with a brush moistened with water to cover all holes and cracks with the mortar and improve the adhesion of the fresh layer. Using a concrete disc and a hammer, create a joint at the junction between the wall and the floor. It should be 7 to 10 centimetres wide and extend through the screed down to the concrete slab. If the pressure from rising water is high, widen the joint to 15 centimetres. Such insulation at the base of the wall acts like a wedge and secures it from below. Use NCT crystal and gem in the joint, just as on flat wall surfaces, as shown in the video. NCT CEM mortar. Apply the next day. Mix 1 bag with 4.5 to 6 litres of water. Trowel application. Add 4.5 litres of water. Spray application. Add 5 to 6 litres of water. Spray onto the wall once or twice, then apply with a metal trowel. The total thickness of crystal and gem should be 1 centimetre. NCT thermolime. Must be applied the next day. Mix 1 bag with 4.5 to 6 litres of water. Apply with a trowel or a spatula. Apply the final coat to a thickness of 0.5 centimetre. After the first coat, use a paintbrush, a brush, or a tiling trowel to create shallow grooves and indentations. The following day, create a 0.5 centimetre deep groove and smooth with a plastic or polystyrene trowel. Round off internal corners to a radius of at least 3 centimetres. Sanding. After applying the thermolime layer, the wall should be sanded the following day, using a sander fitted with a 40 grit sanding pad. The aim is to achieve an ideal surface for painting. Step 4. NCT isotherm PS layer. Apply 14 days after plastering. Apply 1 coat daily using a roller with a pile of at least 8 mm. Isotherm primer. Apply at least 2 to 3 coats of paint. The total thickness of the coating should be 1.3 mm. It is essential to check the thickness of the applied paint. Important technical notes. Once mixed, no more water may be added to the NCT mortars. The materials are plasticized solely by additional mechanical stirring. The working time of the NCT mortars is at least 5 hours. Thermolime is dry the following day, but full curing takes place after 14 days. General rules. First, before applying the mortars, the walls must be thoroughly dampened. Second, each batch of mortar must be mixed twice for at least 3 minutes each time. Third, once the NCT mortar has been mixed, no more water may be added. To make the material more plastic, it must be thoroughly mixed again. Fourth, working time, at least 5 hours. Fifth, before applying further coats, the previous coat must first be brushed or troweled. The resulting texture improves the adhesion of subsequent coats. Thank you for your attention. For further technical information, please call us or write to us using the contact details provided.